Ladies and gentlemen, we have found a urinal carousel from the 50s. Look at this, when men weren't shy to show their stuff. This is a really old men's restroom. Look at all the urinals, two on each side of the wall. It's a square. I'm curious to see what the plumbing looks like behind us. Nice clean out there with that crazy flooring that you never see anymore. We're gonna do a carousel. You got real intimate with this stuff. A single vent, 2-inch cast. Even the restrooms you enter at an angle, wall-hung toilets. Pretty old, people. So you guys might like this. It's just hilarious. And then you go in, no ADA here, that's for sure. Old little baby, because I have no higher than my knee. That is one for the history records.